my name is Stephanie and I'm the video technical trainer here at ServiceMonster, and I'm super excited to be here. Why, you might ask? Well, ServiceMonster and OnTrack 6 are amazing, but perhaps I should be a little bit more specific. Look, ServiceMonster and ChemDry have been in partnership for 5 years, and that's not for no reason. Our CRM is unlike any other in the carpet industry. So much so that we've not only supported countless service businesses, but we've also helped massively expand them as well. From our marketing, to our leads and opportunities capabilities, to our scheduling, all in one place? We say yes. OnTrack 6 is easy to use, it's organized, it's reliable, it's proven, but enough of my words. Let me actually take you into OnTrack 6 and show you what I'm talking about, and give you a glimpse into just how easy it is to use. We're going to start where it always starts, right? With your clients. With OnTrack 6, leads can come in by many different means. From HRI itself, by phone, by the ServiceMonster web forms. Yes, we provide free web forms you can, with the push of a few buttons, integrate into your website easily. Or by our web API, either with an independent developer or through our handy Marketplace tab, which contains many amazing resources for you and your business. So from any of those pipelines, a prospective client comes into OnTrack 6 as a lead. This is our leads list under Leads in the Navigator. From there, you have the ability to convert the lead to an account, or you can turn it into an opportunity. If I had the time to go into detail of all the incredible aspects of opportunities in OnTrack 6, I would. But essentially, with opportunities, we give you a multi-touch pipeline sales process so that you can close out all your new accounts with ease. Let's go to opportunities. One of our opportunities features is the Kanban board, where your sales team can track the progress of your leads, even predicting the lead's job value, or deciding what actions or follow-up you want to take with it. This is a really nice visual, and all you have to do is drag and drop the opportunity as it moves along the Kanban board. Inside the opportunity, you can create new notes, keep lead information, assign an owner to the lead, keep track of its stage in the sales process. Also notice the Kanban layout here, update its status, basically everything. Now, phone leads will come in through our Quick Add feature. This is the Quick Add. This occurs in order to avoid account duplicates and to fetch you the correct account information. But first, more about the Quick Add. In this OnTrack 6 feature, you can retrieve an existing or create a new account. You can create a new estimate, a new work order, or a new invoice, all depending on what the client wants. You can schedule a job, and you can also confirm it. Keep in mind, our system always requires you to list their lead source. All of this in one screen. OnTrack 6 is adamant about tracking lead sources for our customers. Our reasoning is this: without lead source knowledge, you can't know where your clients, and ultimately your income, is coming from, and where to be placing your time and energy into marketing. Say you get 10 new clients in a day from your TV ad, and only 1 from your call campaign. You'll know right away where to focus your marketing budget. So list that lead source. It's a really powerful tool, and OnTrack 6 is really good at it. It tracks your numbers and your lead sources for you. So once you acquire the lead and they become an account, they'll want to book work. Besides creating estimates, work orders, and invoices from the Quick Add, we also have a whole section in the CRM dedicated to creating orders, and then putting them on the schedule. Like I said, you can go into a ton of detail creating estimates, work orders, and invoices all inside OnTrack 6. Included is the ability to create promos, ad packages, bulk ads, and much, much more. The possibilities really are endless, and they help you manage your time well. I'm going to convert this one to an invoice. For invoices, OnTrack 6 provides incredible billing services. Whether by direct mail or email, we have all the options. And just so you know, we also tie directly into QuickBooks, both desktop and online. So now, let me show you scheduling. Besides offering multi-route scheduling, which in OnTrack 6 can go anywhere from 1 to limitless routes, we also have Map View, which clearly displays your routes for any given job. Our routing tools help you become more strategic, booking jobs together that make sense for your team, allowing you to save money on fuel costs and minimizing road time. Your team will love you. You can also print out route packets and much, much more. Now, marketing. DIY marketing is one of the highlights and what truly sets OnTrack 6 apart from any other CRM out there. The possibilities really are endless. From DIY email, mail merge, call, to export campaigns, we have it all. You will stay connected with your customers before, during, and after the job, hopefully making them a lifelong repeat customer. But perhaps our coolest feature is drip campaigns. This is our systematized, automated marketing pipeline that can do all the marketing campaign work for you. What you're looking at is the who, when, and what of a drip campaign. This is a pre-made one. The beauty of these is that you can build and designate who you want your campaign to go to, whether a small or large group of people, specifically when you want the campaign to go out, and then what type of campaign you want. As you can see, we have call, mail, email, and export campaigns. These can get super specific, such as 30 days after the last invoice, or a 6-month follow-up, whatever. All you have to do is create it, enable it, and our system will do the work for you. And for those of you who already are super busy with running a successful business, automated marketing is gold for your business, where you can set it up and feel confident it is reaching out to your customers for you automatically. But that's not it. We also have Fill My Schedule. This is an optional direct mail service we provide for a fee that has crazy ROIs for very minimal investment with a goal of increasing your repeat business. We all know that it costs 10 times more to find a new customer versus bringing back a repeat customer. The magic happens here, and we do all the work for you. And finally, I want to mention our dashboards and reports. Dashboards are a quick look at your business's numbers. From the home page, you'll know right away how your business is doing, what's doing great, and what could be improved and more. Knowing this critical information empowers you and puts you in the driver's seat of your business. And of course, our reports are informational, helpful, and specific. Track which items are your top sellers, which employees are closing the most accounts, accounting records, lead sources, and more. We'll just leave it at that. If I haven't convinced you how amazing ServiceMonster and OnTrack 6 will be for your business yet, I'll just hang up my hat now. Just kidding. But seriously, go check it out. You won't regret it.